Hey, welcome back to PickSnap. If you've ever stood in a parking lot with a flat tire and no plan, or watched your battery die the night before something important, then yeah, you already know why this list exists. Every pick today solves a real problem, not theoretical. The kind that costs you money, wastes your time, or just makes driving more frustrating than it needs to be. 10 products. Tire care, diagnostics, battery maintenance, interior upgrades. Every single one a bestseller. Let's get into it. Okay, starting with the one that has quietly saved a lot of people from a tow truck bill. Dead batteries, one of the most common and most preventable car problems. Most people ignore it until it's too late, or they jump it and just hope for the best. The NOCO Genius 1 is the smarter fix. Fully automatic smart charger. One app, works on both 6 and 12 volt batteries and basically every battery type. Flooded, gel, AGM, lithium, all of it. It has a built-in thermal sensor, so it adjusts the charge rate based on temperature. Meaning, no overcharging in heat, no undercharging in freezing cold. And here's the part that really stands out. Force mode. If your battery drops all the way to 0, most chargers just give up. This one doesn't. It will still try to recover it. Also, spark-proof, reverse polarity protection, so yeah, you can't really mess it up. Plug it in, walk away, it handles everything. Links right below. Now this one is for anyone who has ever paid a mechanic just to tell you what the check engine light means. Most shops charge $80, $100, even $150 just to plug in a scanner. That's it. That's the service. The ANCEL AD310 is that exact scanner. And it costs under $30. Plug it into your OBD2 port, turn the ignition, and within seconds, you get the exact fault code, definition, even live engine data. No app, no subscription, no batteries. It powers directly from the car. You walk into a mechanic already knowing what's wrong. That changes everything. Here's something most drivers ignore until it starts costing them money. Tire pressure. Underinflated tires kill your fuel economy, wear out faster, and make your car less safe. And most people, they have no idea what their pressure is right now. The Astroi digital tire pressure gauge fixes that. Reads in 0.1 psi increments, accurate within plus or minus 1 psi. That's pro-level accuracy. 4 units, backlit screen, and an illuminated nozzle so you can actually see what you're doing at night. Runs on AAA batteries, small enough to live in your glove box. Costs less than a tank of gas. Check once a month. That's it. Now you know the pressure, but what if the tire's low and you're nowhere near a gas station? That's where the Moto comes in. Cordless, rechargeable, about the size of a travel mug. Up to 120 psi, digital display, and this is the key part. It auto shuts off the second it hits your target pressure. Set it, leave it, done. USB-C charging, built-in flashlight, works on cars, bikes, balls, everything. Battery lasts around 40 minutes. Keep it in your glove box. Trust me, you want it before you need it. This next one might be the most underrated on the list. Doesn't look like much, but once you use it, you won't go back. The Hotour car trash can. Waterproof outside, leak-proof inside, handles everything. 2-gallon capacity, magnetic snaps that keep the bag in place so nothing collapses while driving. Mounts behind your seat or sits anywhere. Changing the bag? 2 seconds. Your car is basically your second living space. Treat it like one. Now, if you want an inflator but never want to worry about charging it, this one's for you. Astroi portable air compressor. Plugs directly into your car's 12-volt socket. Engine on, this works. No battery, no charging, no excuses. Long cord reaches all 4 tires easily. 100 psi, digital display, auto shutoff, built-in emergency light. From low to full, under 4 minutes. This is the reliable one. Always ready. Quick question. How many times has your phone fallen off its mount? Yeah, exactly. Most mounts for maybe 6 magnets. This one though, 20. Completely different level of hold. Your phone locks in and stays there. Potholes, turns, speed bumps, doesn't move. 360-degree rotation, clean dashboard setup, no clamps, no messy arms, just simple, solid, secure. All right, if you want the most advanced inflator here, this is it. Astroi L7. fully cordless, but the real difference is the sensor tech. It reads pressure 200 times per second, so what you see is actually accurate, not an estimate. 150 psi max, super fast inflation, works on basically everything. Quick breakdown. Astroi 12V is plug-in, always reliable. Air Moto, compact, emergency is. Astroi L7, speed plus precision. Pick what fits you. Now this one might be the most important on the list. Foggy headlights. Not just cosmetic, they can cut visibility by up to 80% at night. That's dangerous. The Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit fixes it. 3 steps. Wipe, sand, coat. That's it. And this isn't basic coating. This is real ceramic technology. It bonds to the surface, creates a UV barrier, and stops the problem from coming back. Lifetime guarantee. Most kits polish, this one seals. Big difference. And finally, the one that protects everything else. Sun damage, dashboard cracks, seats fade, steering wheel burns your hands. The Econor windshield sunshade blocks 99% of that. Covers the full windshield, reflects heat out so your car stays cool. Folds in seconds, stores easily, no setup. For the price, this is probably the best protection in the list. And that's the second PickSnap Roundup. 10 products, all linked below. Affiliate links, no extra cost to you, but helps keep this channel running. If there's a category you want next, tools, garage gear, emergency kits, drop it in the comments. We read everything. Subscribe if you want more. New video every week. All right, see you in the next one.